Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your laptop and where to find it afterward. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, let's talk about how to take a screenshot. If you're using a Windows laptop, here are easy method. Find the PrtScn key on your keyboard, usually located at the top right. Press it once to take a screenshot of your entire screen, and the screenshot will be saved to the Screenshots folder. I hope you found the screenshot button, and if you did and took a screenshot, you've seen for yourself how simple it was. Now that you've taken your screenshot, let's find it. If you use the PrtScn method, open the File Explorer and tap on the pictures, and here open the screenshot folder. You should see your screenshot saved there. And that's how you take and find a screenshot on your laptop. If this video helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.